Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain Good Budgeting app review to see if it's worth using. Good Budget is a budgeting app based on the envelope system where you allocate your income into different spending categories like rent, groceries, and entertainment, available on iOS and Android and the web. It allows you to manually enter transactions and sync your budget across multiple devices, making it a suitable for individuals and families aiming to manage their finances collaboratively. The free version offers up to 20 envelopes and one account, while the premium version price is at $10 per month or $80 per year. Provide unlimited envelope and account along with additional features like automatic banking syncing system with EU-based bank. Good budgeting is this for those who prefer a hand-on approach to budgeting and value the discipline of the envelope method. However, if you prefer automatic transaction syncing or more advanced financial tools, other budgeting apps might better suit your need. And that's it.